We're together again, just making some food. We're together again, just cooking up some salmon. We're together again, just cooking some salmon. And this is going to be good. I can feel it. It's good. Look at it, how beautiful it is. Oh my God. Can't you tell? Can you tell this is salmon head? Oh my God, this salmon is going to be good. It's going down. It's gonna be good. Come with me. Let's go make some salmon. Welcome back to Jul in the Kitchen. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be cooking with you today this salmon head. Guys, I'm really excited. I love salmon, and I know you probably do love salmon too. But as you see, we're not gonna throw our head out. We're gonna make something delicious from it. We're gonna make a delicious dish. So we're gonna clean this up and we are going to season and cook. But let me show you my season. Very simple season because salmon doesn't need a lot of seasoning. So I have some fish seasoning here, and I have some garlic seasoning, and I have a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm not using too much black pepper, but like a tablespoon of fish seasoning. So you could use whatever seasoning to clean. I'm gonna clean my fish. Salmon is really good for you. Some of you might not like the head of a fish, but where I'm from, we eat a lot of fish head, and I love fish head. I love the bone, but some people might not, and that's okay. So what you can do, you could use the salmon head, make soup, strain the soup, and drink the water part of it. Just cook it down with some vegetable and your seasoning and make a nice soup, or make some fish broth. Or you could cook this, pick it up, spend some time, but don't, because you know what, with salmon, you get all of that lovely benefit from it. Salmon has that extra high level of vitamin A, omega-3 fatty acid. You get iron, zinc, calcium. All of those are good for heart, brain, and your bone health. So guys, don't throw away your fish head anymore. Already clean, but just in case there's anything that's left on it from the fish shop, we're gonna take them off. Make sure it's clean, it's look clean. And we have water here, cold water with vinegar. We're gonna put that there. We're gonna wash it off. That look like a part of the steak. Look beautiful, nice. Everything, they cut the fin off. Just rinse it off twice. You can choose to curry your salmon. You can do it brown stew it. You can fry dry. You can do it whatever way you feel like. So today I feel like making something. Just make something. So we see what we're gonna see. What we're gonna season it up, drying off the water, drying the pan. I don't want no water in the pan, so let's dry it properly. You know. And over our seasoning one more time. As I said, with this, I have fish season, so I'm gonna use it. And I have easy spice meat seasoning. You might not have easy spice, some people where you are, but it's okay. Use any fish season, any all-purpose season. Because remember, I said all-purpose, so that means you can use it on anything. But this is fish. Since I have fish, I'm gonna go with the fish season. I'm just gonna add it to it. All of this season. And if at the end we need more, we'll add some, I have a teaspoon of black pepper. And I won't need that much. And I'm gonna add my garlic salt. And as I said, I like this garlic salt. I think I might use a small, but I have just a teaspoon. I'm gonna put another half a teaspoon in. The reason why I like this is because it's coarse salt and it has a parsley, added flavor to the salt. And we're gonna just rub it. You don't have to do it this way. You can doing it single pieces, but I just do it like this. Heating up, I'm gonna make the breading for the fish. I like to bread my fish because it makes it nice. It keeps the integrity, I have it crushing all over the place, It holds the fishing. I'm gonna add some of the same seasoning that I use, just a small amount. Same seasoning that I use. I'm gonna put just a small amount of my fish seasoning in. A small amount of black pepper in. So my oil is heating up. I'm gonna put this green scallion part in it. Just to flavor up gonna mix this up, and we're gonna pat our fish on all sides. We're gonna flour it on all sides, and we're gonna shake it off. We don't want excess. We just want just a little bit. With any frying, don't crowd, because when you crowd, it slows down the temperature of the oil, and then things start to get saggy. So look how beautiful these are, guys. About time to take this head out and finish off with the other beautiful color. When I'm really done. And yes, fryers changes everything. Guys, cooking is my therapy. I just love cooking. When I cook, it makes me feel like I'm in a different world. Look, these are so beautiful, adorable. I know I'm gonna love this. Beautiful. That's the salmon head. Salmon head. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Look at it. I know. I'm in my zone, right? I'm in my zone. Some oil. So now we're gonna make a little sauce for our, nothing fancy, for our fish. So I'm just gonna use whatever I have in my fridge as usual. Cherry tomatoes, see that look like they're gonna go crazy. Yeah, I don't wanna lose them, so I'm gonna use them. Put a piece of scotch bonnet pepper in there. You know, you need a little bit of kick of spice. I don't like nothing too spicy. I really like it. I just put a piece of fresh thyme to this and a little bit more onion. I'm gonna put all of this seasoning in here. And we're gonna turn up the heat and just let it sizzle for a bit. Because one of my things is color. You know what, you can put this fish without all of these and it still tastes good. You know what, I love it with color. I'm going to leave that to sweat a little bit. Yes. I'm not a lover of using ketchup for cooking. I like tomatoes, not ketchup. But you guess what? I have this leftover. I gave my granddaughter last night to eat with chicken and she didn't eat it. And I don't want to throw it out, so I'm just going to use it. I'm going to add just a speck of soy sauce to it. A speck. And I'm going to add a little bit of my sweet chili sauce. Guys, when you're making your thing, just do it. This is my mood right now. Maybe tomorrow it would be something different. But right now, this is my mood. Right now it's my mood. And that's how I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna stir this together. As I said, I'm not a ketchup lover. But I'm gonna put everything in here. And I'm gonna add some water here because I'm making a sauce for the fish. Enough sauce. I'm gonna add a piece of butter. Leave it to boil, and you know what, I'm gonna taste. I always taste before I share to make sure it comes out good. And then maybe a speck of black pepper. That's good. And taste this to make sure it's up to par. So let's turn the fire way up high and leave it to boil. It's a nice looking sauce right now. That's what we're gonna dump our fish head in and leave it to swim. You know I'm in a good mood. You could tell, right? I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. All right, now, so see, I'm gonna come back once it's simmered. So I have here tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm gonna add some to this. Just a little bit. Sorry, I don't want to get too much. Then this is good enough. I won't put all into it. That's good. I don't need any more. I'm good with consistency. Look, you don't need anything else. This is it. Just watch me now. now with my fire and low. I don't want this thing to cook. I just want it to steep and simmer. Right? I just want it to simmer. Look how beautiful it is. Can you tell? It's gonna be good. Look, it's seeping and it's gonna get that thyme into it. Oh, can you tell? It's gonna be good. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh my God, it's gonna be good. I know, I can feel it. All right, so leave it now and let it simmer. So I'm gonna leave it and let it simmer. I'm excited, guys. Please excuse me. I'm really excited today. I don't know why. Something good is going to happen. Something good is in store. I don't know. Something good is going to happen. I'm so excited. All right, so leave it and let it sit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And as always, remember to cook with love, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.